Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the second type of variable separable form. That is, if a differential equation is not directly variable separable form, then it can be converted to a variable separable form using substitution. Let's understand this using an example. Say this example is dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Okay. Let's substitute. Put z is equal to 4x plus y plus 1. So now my dz by dx becomes 4 plus dy by dx plus 0. Let this be equation 1. And we can see like dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 4. This be equation 2. Now the differential equation becomes what? Dz by dx minus 4 is equal to z square. Okay, dz by dx is equal to z square plus 4. Dz, take z on one side, or z terms on one side, dz by z square plus 4 is equal to dx. Integrate on both sides. So this integral is similar to dx divided by x square plus a square, nothing but equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so this will be equal to, above integral is equal to 1 by 2. 2 square is 4. Okay, that's why I'm writing it directly. Tan inverse z by 2 is equal to x plus c. Resubstitute z is equal to, what is z? 4x plus y plus 1. So after resubstitution, this will be tan inverse of 4x plus y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to x plus c. Okay, let's solve another problem. Dy by dx is equal to a square by x minus y square. Okay, fine. How to solve this? Put this as equal to z. Z is equal to x minus y. Now same thing, dz by dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. Let this be equation 1. Put equation 1 in this differential equation. This will be, you take dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dz by dx. Okay, now we write the differential equation as 1 minus dz by dx is equal to a square by z square. Dz by dx is equal to 1 minus a square by z square. Dz by dx is equal to z square minus a square by z square. Let's take a z term on this side, z square by z square minus e square dz, and next terms on both sides and integrate both sides. Okay, so the solution to this equation will be what? z square minus a square, add plus or minus a square in the numerator, z square minus a square, this is x plus c. So this is equal to 1 minus a square by z square minus a square dz. So this integral is equal to we take this will be integral dz minus integral a square by z square minus a square dz. You solve this integral value is nothing but equal to 1 by 2a ln z minus a by z plus a plus c. Okay, so this integral value will be equal to z minus 1 by 2a ln z minus a by z plus a is equal to x plus c. Again, like you have to do the same thing. You have taken z is equal to x minus y, so resubstitute in this equation, you will get the complete solution. That will be nothing but equal to z is x minus y. Okay, so x minus y minus 1 by 2a, yeah, then x minus y minus a by x plus divided by x minus y plus a is equal to x plus c. X will get cancelled both sides, so y plus 1 by 2a ln ex minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a is equal to c. This is the differential equation solution. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt in the current lecture, let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly answer them. Thank you so much.